Hello interior designers. Welcome to Wecut Interior Modular Factory, where precision meets perfection. We are not just a supplier, but your ultimate production partner. Do you need modular kitchens, stylish wardrobes, serene pooja rooms, sharp TV units, or comprehensive interior solutions? Every single product we make showcases the quality, precision, and craftsmanship your clients expect. We don't guess, we guarantee. Every module at Wecut passes rigorous advanced audit checks, ultra-precise CNC cutting, flawless surface finishing, and quality verification for a perfect output every time. Calling all architects, interior designers, and builders. Want to scale faster and smarter? We provide the high volume bulk production, dedicated custom design support, and lightning fast timely dispatch. You need to take your business to the next level. Collaborate with Wecut Modular Factory, turning your brilliant designs into flawless factory finished realities. Contact us today 9885 31010 or 9885 41010. Let's cut the complexity and build success.